Hey creators! Want to create YouTube videos faster and smarter? Let me show you how to use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, titles, scripts, descriptions, tags, even thumbnail concepts in just minutes. If you're tired of creative blocks, this is going to be a game changer. Let's dive right in. Step 1: Video Ideas. Let's start with video ideas. Open ChatGPT and type something like, "Give me 10 viral YouTube video ideas." ChatGPT instantly gives you a bunch of trending and engaging topics you can build on. Now, you can choose the idea you are interested in. For demonstration purpose, I choose number 5, the future of smartphones. What will they look like in 2030? Step 2: Video titles. Once you have your idea, let's craft a click-worthy title. Now type, "Create 5 SEO-friendly, high-click YouTube titles for a video about your topic you previously chose." Now, you can pick the best title to match your idea. Step 3: Script writing. Next up, let ChatGPT write your video script. Type prompt up, "Write a YouTube video script for a 5-minute video titled Future Phones Explained, What to Expect by 2030. You'll get a structured script with intro, main content, and call to action. Edit it with your own voice, and you're ready to record. Step 4: Video description. Now, let's optimize your video description. Type prompt up, "Write an engaging YouTube description for a video titled Future Phones Explained, What to Expect by 2030. Include a call to action, hashtags, and SEO keywords." Here is generated video description. Step 5: Tags. Type prompt up, "Generate a list of high-ranking YouTube tags for a video about Future Phones Explained, What to Expect by 2030. Here are generated keywords and tags. If tags are not comma separated, you can make them comma separated. Step 6: Thumbnail. Type prompt up, "Generate eye-catching 16:9 thumbnail image for title, Future Phones Explained, What to Expect by 2030. Here is the generated image, and you can regenerate by editing the image prompt as you want. And just like that, you've planned your next YouTube video in record time. From idea to thumbnail, ChatGPT has your back. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more content creation hacks, and let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on using AI tools to edit your videos too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.